I don't see why you should be worried.
Hey, why are you staring at them?
These guys have been sitting there for an hour, and they're not reacting. He keeps checking the time like he's waiting for someone.
Tiphumile number yan. Uze tiphumile tanya. Ini. When? Fanele kutheni boze.
Yo. Guys, like what's your things are tough. This one. Guys, take things, ne? Sleep at the street. Just imagine people. Wena, thina ukugitsha wena, ungibhekile emehlweni wena. You, when you sleep on top of the roof, you said, can you please close the gate even while you're outside? Or just imagine you when you wake up, you say good morning, kanto khuluma namakundwana. Maybe at your home, when it plays SABC1, it says, even in TV number, maybe when SABC1 plays, it says Mzanzi Bobo. Subscribe for more videos and you will get more. If you subscribe to me, I will subscribe to you back, guys. Thank you very much for supporting me. A little thing, YouTube.